Hey everybody, Philmington Collector here, doing a break of Philmington's RC Explosion box version 16. I've been getting them since I think probably, I don't know, not quite sure what my first version is. I just haven't been opening them. Just kind of leave it on the shelf to open them up at some point, and so I had this newest one in the house. I hadn't taken it out to the cub house yet, and oldest boy wanted to open it up, so we went ahead and opened it. I would have been doing the actual open itself on video, but unbeknownst to me, the camera had died and didn't know it. So we're just going to do a simple recap video of what we did. Here's effectively the carnage of the open. 83 Fleer, 2017 update tops, 2018 Heritage High numbers, and so forth. You guys know the drill. There's enough videos out there of what was in the version 16. If you haven't checked out Philmington's YouTube channel and or his rookie card explosion box website, go check it out for sure. So anyway, I've been fortunate enough to get several versions of the explosion box, and this is the first one I'm opening. So anyway, I'm going to just go through the key ones that I pulled out, which are effectively either Hall of Famers, some of the key hits, as well as just rookies. Pulled them out just to kind of save them. Some of the stuff, especially the modern stuff, you never know who's going to pan out, you know, so I'll just go ahead and pull those for a while, and at some point I might downgrade them if they turn out to be nothing. So anyway, here's the hits. Alright, so here is the batch of rookie cards that came out. Harrison Musgrave, Jed Lowry, Nico Goodrum, Ryan Healy, Jose Osuna, David Dahl, Rosel Herrera, Adolis Garcia, and then others just, I don't know, players that I like, or actually there's actually one more rookie, sorry, Pedro Avila. So yeah, so now just kind of transition to players that I like or whatever. Freddie Freeman, All-Star game. Aaron Nola, Anthony Rizzo, Mickey Mantle. Figure it's got the name, might as well pull it. Robin Yount, 35th anniversary card in the 85 tops template. Rafael Devers. This is a rookie that I think is the more notable, Jose Abreu. Carter Kaboom. Ronald Acuna Jr. Bowman. I pulled this because it's a gold 150th anniversary card, not numbered, but a gold label. Colton Wong from the Cardinals, excuse me. Then we got a Gary Sanchez. Powerful card, Yankees, Stanton and Judge. Rookie Cup card of Willie Adames. A rookie card for Francisco Mejia. A league leaders Aaron Judge. A Francisco Lindor. I'm big fan of Francisco Lindor. remember watching him in the 2016 World Series championship, World Series, excuse me, when the Cubs won the championship. Just a fun player to watch. Jose Altuve, All-Star Game card. We got some shine, little Francisco Liriano. And then this one is a gold numbered to 150, 7 of 150. Ryne Sandberg for the Cubbies, always a good card. Did pull in this. I had one of the 1 in 6 bonus packs. So these are the 4 cards that came from the bonus pack. As you can see, it's got the printed pattern on the back. Nolan Ryan, Wade Boggs, obviously in the style of the 84 Topps cards. Bryce Harper. And then pull the black border, Albert Pujols, numbered 126 of 199. And then some of the listed hits that were on the sheet of paper. Alex Verdugo, rookie. And then, what is this, 2017 Topps? Oh yeah, update. Luis Castillo, rookie. Aaron Judge, All-Star Game, rookie. And Mr. Clayton Kershaw, rookie, out of the 2008 pack. So fantastic. Had 4 nice hits as far as I'm concerned out of the box, and really, I mean, all in all, I think it was a pretty successful explosion box. So that's the hits. Thanks for Philmington. Might have to come back and open some more of my old RC explosion boxes. I have a collection of unopened packs, so I figured I'd just throw them in there at some point, but we'll see. Might open them up, might just leave them in a box, or do it for a rainy day sometime in the future. Anyway, thanks for watching. God bless. Talk to you later.